So the first thing we're going to do is just draw the sides of the onion. So draw two big curved lines that are facing each other, and then connect these two with another wavy line going across. Then at the top, just have these two lines curving upwards like this, and then connect them with little spikes. Okay, so that's the outside shape done. Now I'm going to add some detail on the inside, and I'm just going to do that by adding curved lines like this. And now I'm just going to add in the eyes, which are just going to be two black dots with two white dots in the corners of them. And then just a little smile. And that's it, how to draw a cute cartoon onion. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you're new, remember to subscribe, because there's going to be loads more videos like this one coming up.